Hi guys, this is Subi here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make healthy breakfast egg muffin. Without further delay, let's get started our egg muffin.
Okay, so for the ingredients for the egg muffin, we're using diced onions, we're using 3 different kinds of bell peppers, and we're also using diced tomatoes. And for the meat, we're using sausage, but you can use turkey, bacon, or ham, or whatever else you have on hand. And we're also using some spinach. And for the eggs, we used 5 large eggs, but you can also use 6 medium eggs if you have that on hand.
So let's go ahead and whisk these eggs. There is 5 large eggs. So we are whisking with half teaspoon black pepper and salt as needed.
Okay, so we put the eggs in here, so it'll be easier to pour into the tins, and it won't be spilling everywhere instead of using a bowl. And we lined up the tin with oil. You can use cupcake liners also if you want to.
So in a heated pan, we put some oil. You can choose your own whatever oil you like. I'm using this kind. Which oil is I'm using? Cholesterol-free corn oil. So let's put her. So the mixed capsicum. And the tomato. So in that. So I'm going Now I am adding this chopped sausage in that. Just saute this all together very well. Once it's tender, we can add our chopped baby spinach. So I add in here salt and black pepper, half teaspoon or 3/4 teaspoon. So our vegetable is getting slightly brown and tender. We can add our chopped baby spinach into this. Mix very well.
So our vegetables are ready, and make sure before you add it to the eggs, let it cool or it's gonna cook the eggs. So we're just gonna turn off the heat and let it cool down for a little while.
So once our mix is getting cool, we are adding this mix into this egg. We put this way. Mix it. So we added our all cool mix into the egg now. We are mixing again a little bit. Then we are pouring into our muffin tin. So we already grease our muffin tin very well. Grease. Now we are going to pour our whole mix into this muffin tin.
Make sure to preheat your oven by right now. We're already preheating it right now.
Okay. We are adding some mozzarella cheese into this mix now. There you go. Little bit, right? Not much. Yeah. As you like it. How much you like the cheese.
Okay, so the mixture is ready. Now we're gonna pour it into the muffin tins. We're just gonna pour it in about 3/4 of the way. About that much is good. And we're just gonna continue doing that for the rest.
So we garnish with the mild cheddar cheese on top and parsley. Little bit, right? So now we are going to put it in our oven. How much you preheat? 350 degrees,
Yeah,
right?
and you can put it in there for about 10 to 11 minutes or until the egg is fully cooked.
Usually it takes 15 minutes, let's see. So our tasty and healthy egg muffin is ready now. Let's go ahead and taste it. Let's go ahead.
Inside one here. It's hot. Guys, this egg muffin is so good and it was super easy to make too. Y'all should definitely try to make it. It's so good. All the flavors and stuff, you can taste them, but it's not too strong and it's so good.
So guys, this is very easy and healthy recipe. Whoever is planning to diet or whoever want to lose weight, it's very good breakfast. Please try it. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please like and share. Until we see next video, bye bye.